Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can make a slow motion video in Kinemaster. So as you can see, this is a video which is in normal speed and which is shown also as 1.0x speed. So I am going to take a duplicate of it and I am going to change its speed. So I'm making its speed up to 0.125, and as you can see, the length of this video and this video is very different. So if I add a clip graphics on it, and you will see now the difference. As you can see, it's playing in a normal speed, but this one is playing in a slow motion. So guys, now you will also be able to do this, because you have to just simply click on the video and go to speed, and from here you can increase or decrease the speed of your video. So guys, hope so you liked my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click on the notification bell on all to get the notification about my latest information and knowledge video.